Hey, what's up, everybody? Little short video. Just wanted to show you guys something that I found that I was kind of playing around with that I didn't even know it was there. And on TradingView, that is a crypto heat map, which is this guy right here. And it's kind of interesting. I mean, it's not terribly useful other than maybe just seeing what's popular at the minute, what's got a lot of volume and volatility and such. But if you don't know what a heat map is, it's basically a graphical representation of different things with various values. So in this case, we're looking at crypto and USD traded volume and colored by performance on the daily by percentage. And we can change that by various time frames, volatility, gap. But just to show you here, so obviously Tether has the highest traded volume because everybody's trading, to and from Tether, generally speaking, not everybody. And we got some BUSD here, some USD coin. And look here, obviously Bitcoin number one, because we're not counting this. Bitcoin's got the number one highest traded volume, ETH number two, coming in number three. Got Bitcoin Cash. That's kind of interesting. I didn't even realize that many people were even still messing around with and trading, BCH. Now we've got two more stable coins here. And then coming in number four, Solana. Solana getting some action today. Luna. Hey, that's awesome to see. I'm a big fan of Luna. Got myself a little bit and all that. Then Binance Coin. And then Atom. Another nice one. Matter of fact, I think one of the videos coming up, I'm actually using the Atom chart. Actually, I'm using the Luna chart in another one too. But pumped about that. That's nice to see because I got me some Atom. Ripple, Cardano coming in a little after that. Polkadot. That's what I'm talking about. Like me some Polkadot. Got Matic. Got some, we got Tron. Link. Got a little bit of Link. Litecoin. The OG. AVAX, got the Avalanche, Sand. You know what? When I saw this like a week ago, Sand was up here in the heights with the big dogs. It's kind of interesting. Phantom, that's what I'm talking about. Get that Phantom pumping. Mana. I honestly don't even know the difference between these two. I know this one. I didn't know what the MNA was, but we got near, and I can't see because that shit's in the way. Shiba. Got Tezos. SLP. I don't know what SLP is. Wrap Bitcoin. Fourth. Starting to get into some other little. I won't go as far as to call them shitcoins, but they're definitely some altcoins that they definitely have their crowd. I mean, they got some volume. People are, 620, yeah, 261 million people are definitely getting into it. I mean, I know what DAI is, Uniswap, VeChain, another little favorite of mine there. H bar was that hash graph, I think. What do we got popping over here? Zcash, always nice to see up there. ICP. I never really got into ICP. EOS, there's another OG. Stellar, there's an OG. Algorand. While we're talking about all these different Litecoin, let me know some of the ones that you guys like. You want to see them in the video? Want to see me do some actual chart analysis? Honestly, I've been kind of putting it off because I've been like trying to start with the how-to videos, doing the for beginners thing, and I know everybody's always doing chart analysis, and yeah, I could do it too, but I don't know. I was trying to do something a little different from everybody else. But let's play around with this a little bit. We got market cap. What's going on? Bitcoin, the biggest. ETH, yep, naturally. Tether. AMP. What? Get the fuck out of here. AMP got a giant market cap compared to everybody. When the hell did that happen? Huh. AMP's got a bigger market cap than it. You know, it's 7.2%. Probably because it's doing its little spike thing again and it's pumping and I don't know why everybody hopping on again for a minute, but yeah, I've heard just as many people warning to stay out of it. Honestly, I mean, the project itself makes sense. Whether or not it's going to be around, who the hell knows? But Solana, of course, Avalanche, Dot, Luna, Ripple, you know, solid projects. Litecoin, Atom, got our FTX over there, you know, another exchange token, I believe. Doge. I mean, at this point, you know, Doge is damn near new school OG, so we'll see. I mean, we get a big bear market. I don't expect it to be holding on too crazy. It's gonna hit the tank like everybody else. V chain up there. Be nice to see a little bit more on that. It had its nice little pump. Hasn't really regained those heights, but come on now, buy you some V chain. I'm kidding. Don't not financial advice. Don't listen to me on that shit. I just happen to like it. Let's go year to date. Everybody's hurting except for AMP. What the hell? It's gotta be. Hold on. All right, now it's got me wondering. Do I got it on the list even? I thought I did. All right, let's do this. And crypto, Coinbase. Let's see here. Yeah, see, had a little spike. What was that? 10%. Hit the hourly. Suck it out. Man, it's been going sideways. What? What's the big deal? What's the big freaking deal? No, I don't want to finish at 36 on that spike. I mean, if you're scalping it, hey, I don't blame you. I mean, I think toward the beginning, like when it came back down to here, I think I bought like a tiny bit because I was like, okay, you know, Coinbase gave you some for free, so I threw in whatever, I don't know, like $40 or something like that, just on the off chance it did something. So I think I had like $40 left after buying something else. What do we got here? Possibly coming up. Money wave looking meh. Let's come down a little bit here. Money wave still coming down. Momentum wave's getting lower. RSI splitting and not really going anywhere. I don't know. I'm not expecting a whole heck of a lot. I mean, obviously, you know, just coming back up to here is 100%. So I mean, it's got potential to make big moves just because of the price and apparently the volume, which, meh, whatever. I don't know. I don't overly see the interest. I don't, maybe, you know what? Maybe there was some big news that I missed because I don't check crypto news. I mean, unless it's big and it's getting around, I'll hear about it. But I'm at a point where I generally know the projects that I like. I know the ones I'm keeping an eye on. I know some of the gems that I've either picked up or kept an eye on. I'll throw you a little more. Let me throw you a little gem here. If you ever heard of this one, Energy Web Token, look into it. They got a partnership going on with Google. It's kind of behind the scenes. I mean, they don't put it in black and white, but the company that I don't know put together EWT, and they do some good project stuff too with renewable energy and keeping track of usage and things like that, which I don't know, depending on how far they get into the data gathering stuff, I may not even like what they're doing. And the fact that Google's getting in on it, I'm probably not going to like what they're doing, but it doesn't mean that we can't make some money off it in the meantime. But yeah, so that's the heat map. Oh, to get to it, if I can remember how to get to it, I went to TradingView, just clicking the big old logo up top, and you know, I'll get into some of this stuff if you never really played around with like the ideas pages and things like that, but go all the way down to the bottom and Crypto Heatmap. And of course they got a stock heat map and this crypto screener. It's kind of interesting if you're trying to, find some new ones to look at, or find something that's kind of popular or similar to something else. And it's a good little explorer, if you will. But it's cool to, TradingView's got all kind of interesting stuff, even on top of just having the charts themselves. So that's the heat. What the hell is this thing still up? So that's the heat map. Freaking amp, man. Go figure. This is DeFi. Let's see what this is all about. Okay, so it's just straight up DeFi market cap. Let's do volume. Let's see what's going on. Luna, of course. Man, I like to see that. Like it. Same there. I love to see Phantom up there and Avalanche. I mean, I got some link too. It's just, I don't know. It seems like it got boring after a minute. All of us with our short attention spans, and we want that action. We want to see it popping. We got Maker. Where's something interesting? Graph. Not very interesting, but it's got its use. CRV. Man, I remember hearing about that not long ago. Frontier, yeah, there's another little gem. Nice, another little gem rune. Let's see. Oh, and if you hold control and zoom your little mouse wheel, and you can drag this guy around, you can zoom in, see what some of these little fellers are, even though it doesn't look like there's much worth seeing. But again, and on top of that, say you're looking at some altcoin, you hear about some gem that's about to break out or about to pump, or they got some news that just broke or something like that. You can come on here and be like, what's really going on? Like how much volume they really getting? How much market crap are they really doing? Because if you know anything about it, market crap, the way I said it again, didn't I? I meant to say it the first time, but market cap, the way they calculate it is not horribly realistic. Ocean, there we go. There's my boy Ocean. Be nice to see that do a little bit more. Reef, there's my other little boy. Yeah. Let's see Reef coming back up a little bit. Compound, that's one of the ones you get free shit from Coinbase. Pancake Swap. Aave, that's a good one. Aave is pretty solid. And I don't know, you're in finance. I've heard, that it's a pretty solid thing too. DeFi, that sounds familiar, but I don't know. Basic attention token. Hey, anybody out there using Brave browser? Wrong tab. Using Brave browser. Shout out to them for throwing people a little bit of bat for just turning the ads on, which half the time I don't even notice that they pop up over there, especially when you got 4 monitors. I mean, comes up in one corner. Thankfully, it's not on the corner of this monitor that I'm actually recording on. But that's the heat map. Turn it back to my my little thermal imaging wolves right there, because it's Crypto Wolf. Y'all part of the wolf pack now, so holla at your bros right there. Holla at the moon. Have a fan-freaking-tastic day, evening. If it's morning, good gosh, what are you doing watching this in the morning? Well, good morning. Get you some coffee or something. Eat you some organic cereal. And peace.